Come now into the Earthborn Rainforest. Leave all your cares behind. Let us sit and share together the secrets of OJAYA, the martial art of deep meditation. Ancient secrets to happiness and success. The power of inner peace. The way of the lotus-hearted hero. Enter now this space of peace and listen heart to heart as you advance another step in the OJAYA martial art. Let us begin with a moment of repose. And now, the teachings.
OJAYA Prep Talk 3. How the power of mantra enlivens your energy for happiness, health, and success. With Sukaishi David.
Welcome back to OJAYA in the Earthborn Rainforest. So great to have you here. OJAYA rises high above other meditations you'll see today. Yes, there are meditations that do give certain benefits, but there's none that could stand up to the power and range and depth of OJAYA. Now we'll explore deeper into the reasons why. We said in our last talk that OJAYA has 3 actions that work together. The first action is OJAYA is deeply restful, so it dissolves the stress and cleans out all the emotional turmoil, the mental garbage that's collected inside. All the tensions that have built up from your day-to-day activities. That's the first action. And the second action is, OJAYA polishes your consciousness, builds you up, makes you strong, makes you shine. And the third action is, OJAYA protects your consciousness from getting stressed out. It creates a kavach, an armor of calm energy that surrounds and protects you in your daily life. So wherever you go, your system doesn't absorb the stresses of life. OJAYA is deep meditation. And there's a secret to its power. Would you like to see how it works? Come with me a little deeper into the rainforest, and I'll show you.
What is this place? Why has Sukaishi David brought us here? And what does music have to do with deep meditation? To continue watching this OJAYA Prep Talk and those that follow, enroll now in the OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep course, absolutely free. Do you now practice any meditation technique? If so, is your meditation easy, effortless, and energizing? As you meditate, are you calm, serene, at peace? Whether you've practiced meditation for years or you're starting right now, completely fresh, the OJAYA Prep course contains a wondrous knowledge that will uplift you immediately. In this prep course, Sukaishi David reveals secrets of deep meditation that were forgotten for centuries. With simple words, Sukaishi compares meditation methods taught today in schools around the world. You'll learn how these methods have been watered down over the centuries and why they no longer qualify as deep meditation. You'll learn to avoid common mistakes that might prevent you from resting deep in meditation. If you are sincere at heart and you wish to learn these ancient teachings, then enroll now in the OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep course, absolutely free. You'll get free instant access to your new Earthborn Rainforest online classroom, where you can enjoy all the OJAYA prep talks and complete all the fun quizzes. Join Sukaishi David in the Earthborn Rainforest as he shows you why OJAYA is the simplest, the easiest, the most powerful, and most blissful meditation you'll find anywhere. The OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep course. Enroll now, free, at ojaya.com.